It is so cold out there. It's, I think, about 10 degrees right now. Gotta take the garbage out. Sure that I just tackle those dishes first thing in the morning and my counters are wiped off. Even though I had a really quick breakfast and I really wanted to rush down and get my workout done, it helps to just take a moment and take care of the dishes. So that has been a habit that I've really stuck to all month, and it just really makes a difference. If I get nothing else done, I just feel better and I feel more focused and grounded, and I'm looking to the day ahead. Now I am doing some food planning. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing my food planning, and it's very, very simple. So that question, what's for dinner, is something that was a real problem for me, and I'm not completely over that. But in the Fly Lady system, she says set a time for a planning day once a week, which is Tuesday in her system. Now, today's Wednesday and I have not done my meal planning. That's because yesterday was Tuesday and I had some unexpected things come up, which is life. So I'm flexible, and the perfectionist within me and this is what's gotten in my way doing the system before, is I'd want to go back and try to catch up. Oh, I didn't get Tuesday's stuff done. Oh, I've got to go catch up and get Tuesday's done before I can do Wednesdays. And one of the things that Fly Lady says all the time is just jump in where you're at. Don't try to catch up. You're never behind. So I've been just telling myself this because I am really trying to take this on and be open to the coaching. Like that's what I'm trying to be coachable. I'm not always good at that. I tend to think, oh, I know myself. I know what I need. This isn't going to work for me. I got to catch up because I want to be perfect. I want to get the A, right? So such an illusion, and I'm getting over that now with the help of the Fly Lady system. So I noticed last week I was right on track with my meal plan. And so I'm going to just show you guys really quick my sheet from last week, and then I'll show you this week's sheet. Let me show you a blank form. This is my form that I use. I made it up myself, but I just used Canva. It's a free software. So so I just have it like this. I have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we're empty nesters, so I pretty much just always plan to make I set off with the intention to cook three pretty decent big meals a week, and but then we'll have leftovers or a combination, and then we usually either do takeout or something like that twice a week. Normally, no, with all of this staying at home, it has changed. We're not doing as much of that. We haven't been going out to eat at restaurants, even though in our area you can do that, but we haven't been doing that. We've been just doing takeout. So, so what I do first under notes is I just look at what I have on hand, and then if I need something, I put things to buy, and then here's where I plan. And I fill this out first, then I think up my meals, and then I fill this out, and then I fill this out first, look what I have, take my inventory, and then I build my menu for the week, and then I add anything I need to buy here, and I put that on my grocery list, and I go to the store on Thursdays now. So I have a designated day to go to the grocery store. Well, last week I set off to do that. It worked out really well. It was wonderful. I knew what we were having for dinner every week, or every day. I had hamburger, and I had chicken thighs and Italian sausage and some cooked meatballs. Some of these were left over, that from a meal I'd already made, but I had this on hand, and so I easily, knew what we were having. So Chipotle bowls, pasta and meatballs, and then a meatloaf for Thursday. And this roast was for the previous Sunday, so I sort of messed that up. It didn't really go here. So this worked out really well. So Chipotle bowls, that was 2 meals for us. So we ate them Monday, and then I think we had them Friday too. No, we had them Wednesday. So we had Chipotle bowls on Wednesday, just CB. But I'm very flexible with this. So as long as I have 3 meals in there, I know I'm covered. As long as I'm making enough, for 2 meals each time. So the Chipotle bowls we had twice. The pasta and meatballs we had twice. And the meatloaf we had twice. That's 6 meals. And then for the Sunday meal, or actually in our case, we ate out Friday, we had pizza. We just ordered pizza. So what I've been doing with meat is I usually go to Sam's Club or Albertsons or King Soopers, a couple of other stores for most of our meat. Nothing against Walmart. We just usually get our meat from either Sam's Club or one of the other grocery stores. And sometimes I go to Vitamin Cottage, or it's called a Natural Grocers here. So that's what I've been doing for meat. And then I plan the rest of my meal around the main dish, the meat. And then also at Sam's Club, I always stock up on potatoes and rice, like brown rice, vegetables. I get canned vegetables and frozen vegetables there usually. That's where I buy most of that stuff more in bulk at Sam's Club. That way it's easy for me to plan meals. I always have side dishes available. Now fresh produce I will buy at Albertsons or King Soopers or Walmart sometimes too. So that's how I've been doing my meal plan, and it's so easy this way. And it's so cold out there, but so beautiful. The sky is clear and blue, but we still have a little bit of the snow there falling from the tree. You can see it looks like a snow globe. It is gorgeous. Today would have been a really good day to curl up next to the fire and read a book, maybe get a hot cup of tea or coffee, but I really did have to make myself come down here and get my workout done. So this is what I do for me. This takes care of my emotional and mental health in so many ways. It's not just physical. For me, this helps me with all those hormones and all of that stuff that's going on as a woman my age. We lose muscle mass after we turn 50, and we also have to deal with the hormones of menopause and all of that. Well, I had a good workout, counteracting that muscle loss that we have after we turn 50 for us ladies. So that's really my focus with exercise and just my diet, getting enough protein in my diet. So Yep, so that's my video today. I hope you guys are doing well. Take good care, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.